These videos have been uploading for like 50 hours. Over 50 hours at this point. God, my upload speed is so slow. We have 6 episodes of Monster Train. All right, let's do this. Standard run. What am I trying to do? Wait, logbook. I still want to complete my logbook. The last Divinity. There are so many combinations. Hellhorned Umbra. Okay, that's it. Back to main menu. Standard run. New run. Hellhorned Umbra. And I can do either of them, I believe. Ooh, do I just go for super broken imps? No. No. Because Falter Fire is going to end up watching these videos, probably. And I'm going to put the seed in there, and Falter Fire is way too good with the imps. Way too good. Hidden Passage is good. Packed Morsels is good. Rage Serum is good. This is a good start. Torches are bad. Okay. We got this. Easy game. Regular Umbra. Let's go look at this. I don't know. Consumes. I do have a bunch of consumes. Cool. I want this. I could have taken the pyre damage with this. This one's pretty good. I think this one's easier. They're both easy. Okay. Multi-strike. I like multi-strike. Yeah. I don't like revenge that much. Onwards to victory. Armor 10. Okay. I really want to see that early unit draft. Ouch. 15 pack shards, and we got a big archer thing. Ascend a unit could be helpful. Do I have to build up top? I don't think I do. Do I? Okay, I'm going to ascend this one. I could have ascended my champion. Oh, building up top would have made sense because I could have done it for free. Yeah. Okay, mistakes were made. I can ascend again. The game loves me. And I can fit all the morsels up there. The game absolutely loves me. End the turn. Free gold. I have 2 damage shields. What are the chances I can get through one of these? Very low. But possible? I don't think it is possible. Train swords don't really help me. Once I play 3 cards, there's a chance that I get an ascend. No ascend. What are the chances? So this would have 5 effective HP. Chances that I get 3 torches are nil. No chance of it. Right. Pyre takes 10. So the rest of this should be easy, I believe. Yeah. I could move this up. No reason not to. Victory. So we get to look at a banner unit. Ooh, imps. Imps, imps, imps. God, I like playing this with melting so that I can make this endless. Do I care about imps? Maybe? Do imps really help me? I don't know. There's things that work with rage. I'm just gonna take it and stop thinking. Alpha Fiend, Steelworker, Morsel Master. All three of these have uses. Steelworker feels like the easiest one to make use of. Putting that into an imp isn't that bad, because then it only takes up one space. This thing, if I get that into a sweep or a multi-strike unit, can go crazy. Do I have sweep or multi-strike units? I definitely have multi-strike. Is there a sweep unit? I don't even remember. I don't even remember what the multi-strike is. I think I'm going to take the Steelworker because it's easier for me to use right now. That Alpha Fiend is good though. Take this. If I can keep my champion alive, it can do a lot of work for me. What am I trying to do? I think I'm going to look at this banner. But I need it to be something good. Okay. Fragile. Fragile, fragile, fragile. Fragile does work with armor. This could be quick, self-armoring, multi-strike. Is that good enough? I think it is. And it wouldn't be fragile. Which of these two? Multi-strike 1. I'm trying to decide, do I put this inside of this? Why would I do that? No. It's just worse. Okay, Horned Warrior. Come here. Give it the quick. Steelworker is currently going inside of this. Or Steelworker goes inside of the imp. Either one. I think I'm good. What about this? Not taking it. Onwards. Spikes 3 is a way to die. I can't fit all of my stuff. No spikes. For 75 gold, no spikes. 30 gonna be quick. You're quick. have my imp. The imp doesn't do much. I could have just built bottom floor. Huh. I still could just build bottom floor. I don't get any stronger. No, because I have ascends. And I need to use the ascend. This would give me more time, but then I'm going to have 2 groups of these showing up at once. I don't really need more time. Steelworker is important. Now I could use more time. But I could also snipe. Get rid of that. So I really need the ascend. No ascend. Of course not. Train steward's good here. Morsel is free. Do I care more about lifesteal or the 6/6? Because I have armor. Consumes do damage. Look at me remembering things. I'm proud of myself. So I could put down a bunch of morsels that can't eat each other. If I get a train steward, and if it lives somehow. Here, I'm going to put this out front so that it can tank. I'm going to put this out front too. Oh, I don't have room for a train steward. But I have room for my imp, which I'm not going to get. I'm going to get ascends. Okay, you go out here too. Good stuff. We're just going to use morsels to fight the enemy. And they're all going to die because this is a sweep. Perfect. Quick. I can get rid of the quickness. Getting rid of the quickness is good. 1 card played. 2 cards played. Oh, I could have played a morsel up here. Oops. Three cards played. I did not get a morsel, so it worked out fine. What if I get an ascend? Then I can't afford to play it anyways. Lifesteal seems good now. Oh, I don't have room. I did get an ascend. The lifesteal will get used up before the armor goes away. So let's get the max HP up there. Doesn't matter, we won. Victory! Hey, there's my imp. It's kind of cool. I have no idea what the plan is with the imp. The plan is put this inside of it. I could do that. Or I could take Fortify. Fortify makes more sense to me. Perils of Production. I like perils. That card has grown on me. Do I need this banner? Kind of. I don't know if I need it. Do I want it? Kind of. It's an Umbra banner. What could I get with Umbra? I don't know. I could get the rare unit. Listen, there's a Merchant of Magic here. I don't have much money. What if I got holdover perils? This is probably better. I just want to go look at the unit. I like seeing banners. I could get a double stack perils. That sounds terrible. I could get a double stack fortify. That sounds pretty good. Why are you gonna give me Morsel Maid? Ah, Morsel Maid. I can't even fit the things. How do you not take Morsel Maid? Look at all the morsels I kind of have a little bit. I would be able to feed them all to you. You're quick. You have multi-strike. I want it. I want it. What is my gameplay? I don't know. I do not know. What would I copy if I went here? I think I would copy my double stack fortify, and we would just have stupid amounts of armor. Hey, Gorge ability triggers an additional time. Really? I have a Gorge ability triggers an additional time. That makes me want to put this inside of this. I don't know. That's what I'm going with. I do like Spell Chain on perils. It needs holdover really bad. I didn't get holdover. I could purge a spell for 10. I have 0 money. Onwards. Daedalus. 40 pack shards. This is fine. Everything is fine. What if I just give up my champion? My champion has a multi-strike. I need to be able to eat the morsels with this one. This one is quick. I'm just thinking for a second. So I can easily snipe this. You're quick. You have to be able to eat morsels. I could build with these two up top. What are you doing? Don't do that. I could build with this one on the bottom. This feels kind of stupid. This isn't a good one to build on the bottom. And I don't do enough damage. My damage doesn't scale unless I get rage going. Damage. Steelworker makes up for that. Armor 10. I don't know. This is what I'm doing. I forgot that I was going to draw another card. Hey, I forgot that consume was going to do things. Good stuff. We're going to draw another card. You're going to eat all of the morsels. We're going to build so many morsels for this. If I need more energy, I could get it. Do I need more energy? Yeah, I want to play this torch. To get more energy, though, I have to feed a morsel to someone else. I could do that. Listen, you can have one morsel. You can have one. It's a rage-filled morsel. Double stack the armor. Does this unit need double stack armor? Because it's quick. I think it goes to this frontline unit. This thing's pretty fragile. Oh, I kind of forgot about this. So I can put the imp down. I could ascend right now. So I got energy. When I play 3 cards, I draw another card. That's a damage shield. I have a damage shield. Weird. Okay. Do I place these 2 train stewards? I think so. That's a bunch of morsels. You love to see it. And a rage serum. Big unit. Overkill. End the turn. So I do need to move it up now, because it does enough damage already. There's my move it up. Does some damage to Daedalus? No, it does not. Why are we not doing damage? Because you have a damage shield. Attack. Oh, you're quick. You attack into this twice. I could get rid of the damage shield and we do extra damage to Daedalus. Or I could have torched one of these. No, I think I did the right thing. Did I? Yeah. Quick attack, quick attack. I still do want to torch this. Cool. Try and torch this. Maybe I could have waited to ascend that one. I probably could have. Perils. Would give me some rage. What else am I trying to do? Play my armor card, which is free. Okay. I guess I could have played the other units, but the armor card is all that I really wanted. So it kind of sucks that I'm not using fossilized fangs. 25 armor. 3 copies of a morsel is good right now. These are both good. I think I want one more floor space so that I could put the armor thing inside of this imp. More morsels, more armor. Because I already have my armor card. Crap. I can't take this. I don't need this. Skip. We're good. We can skip. Floor space. Now if I put the armor inside... What if I made a copy of it after doing that? Then I would have 2 imps that give me armor, one of which I can't fit, but I could ascend it at some point in the game, or I can get a second floor space. Or... That's it. That's all I can think of. Plus, then I get to look at a Hellhorned unit. I could put something onto this or onto this. If I found another multi-attack, that would be very strong. Is there anything I want here? No. I don't see another duplicate until the very end. And it's with a Merchant of Steel. Oh, there's a duplicate right here. Quick. I can have another quick unit. Multi-strike times 3. I do like that. Slay gain armor is kind of good. We're gonna get some rage somehow. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay. Umbra unit. Don't care. Do not care at all. I just didn't want to hellvent this early, but at some point I want to hellvent it. So that gives me decent damage. The only big question now is how long it takes me to find my imp. If I find the imp early, I could build on the bottom floor. If I don't find the imp early, I could build on the bottom floor. I kind of like the idea of building on the bottom floor. That's what I'm getting at. 12 damage. Apply sap to the attacked unit. That's rough. Okay, so this one does a bunch of damage. Does it do enough? This one does 18 damage. This is a consume. So I need to do 30 plus 20. This one does 29 times 2. That's a lot of damage. It's going to do even more than that. Which one do I put out front? You have armor 15. You go out front. I guess. Oh, but the other one's going to get lifesteal and all the morsels. I probably should have put the other one out front. Because it'll get damage shields, lifesteal, all the good stuff. Hey, there's my imp. You love to see it. Imp plus 2 torches. Steelworker, you do have to stay alive. I have to torch this thing. What card could I draw that would save me? I'm not sure. Imp has to stay alive. It's quick. So now I have 3 quick units. You are staying alive. Their damage goes down. I feel like I have to torch this. Oh, I can put down a train steward up top. What am I thinking? What did we... Oh. Still have to play one more card. Train steward. So next turn I get less energy, but that's okay. I don't need much energy now. I need my armor card. There it is. And I need morsels. Yeah, so this one should go out front, probably. Making of a morsel. I'd like to play Perils, but I can't really do it. Do I have to play Perils? I might have to. How did that not up my damage? Okay, so 59 times 2. And then 9. I would no longer have energy, which means I no longer get morsels. It's kind of rough. But I could kill the healer, and you would do extra damage. Why does killing the healer help? It doesn't. Okay, that was questionable. No more energy. I have energy. It's only Ember Drain of 1. I totally have energy. So I have to kill this. I can play these. It would have been nice if one of those was a morsel that gave energy. This could be a morsel that gives energy. I can't take that risk. 15 damage, 7 damage. I'm still gonna die. I guess my champion's not that good. That's what I'm gonna tell myself. Wait. Was that a consume? That was totally a consume. I knew that. Okay, scary time. One of these needs to be an energy one. Really, it needed to... Oh, I can't make 3 copies of a morsel unit? That's an energy one. So, how does this work? Is it just gonna make them on this floor? It totally is. I've learned things. Yeah, but this train steward is about to have so many damage shields. We're gonna do 5 damage to this enemy a bunch of times. Meep. Yes, exactly. Precisely. Okay, what do we got here? I need a damage shield? It's not a damage shield. It does give me extra energy. Okay, wait. That's helpful. It's actually helpful. Torch. 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 468. Not good. Very not good. This stupid thing has thorns on it. Okay. Train steward has to go out. That actually helps. Does it help enough? No. 3 damage. Okay, so how does my pyre do right now? Not very well. Why would I play that? 3 damage. 8 HP. You do 13. You do 7. Not very good. Six HP. That was not the card that I needed to draw. Look at that. I'm doing 5 damage. That drops you. Not enough. Okay, so I need to drop this to 90 HP to below, well, 90 or less. Can I do that? Nope. Not even close. 13 into this. 7 into this. 13 into this. 7 into this. I kind of thought that I would get 3 attacks. I'm attacking into spikes. Of course I am. At most, I could do 15 damage to this, I think. That's not enough. Okay. That was fun. Okay, so next time. Next time, we're gonna try imps. With a plink? No plink. Yes, plink. No plink. Yes, plink. No plink. Okay, this is what we're doing next time. For now, that does it for this video. Thanks for watching.